Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth not showings in Windows 11. So if your Bluetooth icon is not showing here from the Action Center, or maybe your devices just refuse to pair, it is incredibly frustrating when your gear suddenly goes invisible, but 90% of the time it's just a sleeping driver or a disabled surface. So I'm going to show you the quick to go fix. Here you can start by pressing Windows plus X on your keyboard and then open the device manager. And now you can just look for Bluetooth. And if it's missing, you can just go to view and here choose to show hidden devices. And after you found the Bluetooth, you can just right click your Bluetooth adapter and then select the update driver, or you can also uninstall and restart your PC to auto reinstall. So that's all for me. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and also you can leave a comment if you have questions. Don't forget to also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.